Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send video from camera roll as a Snapchat. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your Snapchat application. But before that, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat application. After updating, just open the Snapchat application. Now click on this filters icon here and you will find this search icon in the bottom right corner. Click on it. Search the gallery by clicking on this search bar above. Type gallery here. Tap on this search and you can see there are different options. So you just have to tap on this sixth option, gallery upload. Just tap on it. Your gallery will open below. Select the video you want to save as a snap. Let's say this is the video, so you just have to hold on it a little bit there to record it, and now tap on this send to, and you can send anyone here like this. Tap on this send button, and now if you go to your chat section, you will find this you have sent as a snap. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.